Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Katarina Berry. In today's video, I'm going to be unboxing, reviewing, and creating this look with the new palette by Jeffree Star, which is called Cremated. Now, this is my first ever purchase from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. I'm not a makeup pro. I'm not even close to being a guru. I actually, as you can see, it's not really even perfect. Makeup is just something I like to play with occasionally, but what my channel is about, what I do is I do tarot card readings, I do oracle card readings, I'm a psychic, I'm an empath, and my channel is dedicated to empath empowerment, psychic development, and divination tools. So I was inspired to do this look by the tarot card that is called the Death. So I decided to recreate the Death card look using this new palette because I just ordered it. I looked at it, I felt it, I played with it a little bit, and I was like, okay, you know what? I want to create something that's about tarot, but it's also about makeup. So by no means am I a pro, but I'm going to show you how I created this look and what colors I used. But before we get there, I'm going to unbox the palette and show you what it looks like, and also swatch it. Now, I'm very fair complexed, as you can see. My skin has red undertones. This is just some information before you look at the swatches. After that, we're gonna create this look, and that's gonna be the video. Let's jump right in. I am incredibly impressed and amazed by the quality of this product. I've played around with it a little bit already. Today is maybe my 4th time using this palette. The texture is incredible. There's hardly any fallout. The shimmers are really shimmery. The mattes are really matte. All the shadows are creamy and pigmented, and they glide right over my eyelids, and it's incredible. Now, I'm no makeup guru. I'm not even really good at doing makeup, but I certainly love playing with it, and I hardly buy any because I usually settle down for palettes, and they have so many options that I just tend to use one or the other for a period of time. But this one has so many neutrals, it has so many dark colors, it's so perfect for nudes, smoky eyes, casual, nighttime. And I was just, when I saw it, I was sold. I was like, okay, these are all the colors that I can use in different looks. So I went ahead and ordered it. Now it's a little bit pricey. I believe it was around $70. I believe they're also sold out at this point, but I think it's definitely worth the investment. The colors, all the sizes of the pan sizes are really big as compared to even like Urban Decay palettes that I usually get. So very impressed by the quality, very impressed by the colors, and just love how it feels and how it works on my face. I want to ask you to consider subscribing, especially if you're interested in a more spiritual type of content, if you're interested in tarot card readings, if you're interested in kind of exploring how you can develop your own psychic abilities and talents and gifts, then definitely subscribe, because this is going to be the perfect channel for you. I'm pretty small on YouTube. I'm just kind of starting to grow a little bit, so your support will mean the world to me. And of course, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and let me know in the comments what you think of the palette, if you got it, if you want it, if you would or would not get it, and why. I always reply to all of my comments, and like I said, your support means the world to me. So thank you in advance.